Today, we will review the proper way to unbox and unpack your shipment of TriPlane Luminaires. The first thing you need to do when you receive your shipment is to confirm that all your skids have been delivered. To do this, you should check that the number of skids or boxes that were delivered corresponds with what's shown on the bill of lading. You also need to check that your skids remained upright throughout transport. To do this, all you need to do is check the indicator that's applied to the outside of each box. If any of the blue beads have escaped into the top arrow, you'll know the box was tilted at some point between leaving our warehouse and arriving at your facility. If this is the case, be sure to inspect the luminaires for any signs of damage. If you're not going to be installing your luminaires right away, make sure you're storing them in a covered environment where they'll be protected from the elements. Also, because the glass lenses can be fragile, never stack your skids or boxes on top of one another. When you're ready to install your lights, start by cutting and removing the outer straps. Next, remove the plastic shrink wrap. Then, with one person on either side, lift the outer box enclosure straight up and over the stacked luminaires. You should never try to access the luminaires by cutting the top of the box. This could not only damage the luminaires, but will also make it very awkward to unpack. Next, carefully cut the straps securing the top layer of luminaires and unpack them one at a time from the top. Repeat this for each of the remaining layers. Before hanging your lights, make sure you've reviewed the TriPlane installation instructions, which can be found on the resources page of our website. You can also always reach out to our customer service team for questions or advice.